Okay, so hello students, very good afternoon everyone. As you know, I am your science teacher and here I am just going to take a class of class 8th. Okay, so students, as you know, I have started your chapter pressure. Okay, and what is this one is the chapter 11 of science. Clear? And this is belong to the physics section of your science lesson. Okay, so in my last class I told you about the project and I also told you about the pressure. And today in this video I am just going to ahead of this lesson, and today's topic is variation of a pressure. Clear? So students, once again I am revising you what is a pressure. You can define what is a pressure. Pressure is the force per unit area. Okay, as I told you, what is a pressure? Pressure is denoted by the letter P, and when any force like F is used for in any particular unit area, then we can say that the force exerted in unit area is called a pressure. Okay, and what is the unit of a pressure? So the unit, from the unit of a force and area, we can tell what is the unit of a pressure. So unit of a pressure is a Newton meter square or Pascal. Okay, so this is a unit of a pressure. Clear? Now students, you know what is a variations of a pressure as a okay. So here I'm just telling you variation of a pressure. So first thing students, the pressure is just depend on the force and unit area. Okay, we can say that surface area. So if in a we can this one is a force and here is the area. Okay, so this force is the exert in the unit area. So we can say the pressure is just depend on force and area. Now you have to know when the pressure will increase and when the pressure will decrease. Okay, so here are the three conditions. Okay, first is that when force is increases in any area. Always remember student, when force is increases in any area, then what will be the pressure? We can say you can understand the pressure is just equal to force upon area. Okay, so what will you get here? Pressure is just proportional to the force and pressure is inversely proportional to the area. Okay, so what is the condition when the pressure will increase? First condition and second condition. Clear? This is the first condition. If the force of any object, if the force is increased in any area, then the pressure is increased. Okay, and when the area, we can can write the pressure when area of any particular where the force is exerted. So if the area is increases, then then pressure is decreases. Okay, understand this is a two condition. Okay, so you can write here, force increases, pressure increases, and area increases, pressure decreases. Okay, now let's know what is the variation or types of a pressure. Okay, so first is the according to the state of a substance or a matter, the pressure is also divided into two classes. First is the fluid pressure and second is the atmospheric pressure. This is a variation of a pressure. Okay, so what is the fluid pressure? So firstly, for the fluid pressure, you know what is a fluid. So listen, the fluid is a substance which can flow. Any substance which can flow, that is known as a fluid, and we can say that the gases and the liquid. Okay, the gases and the liquid are the fluids. Okay, and the pressure which is exerted by the gases molecule or atom and a liquid. Okay, so the pressure which is exerted by the gases and a liquid over it is called a fluid pressure. Okay, for example, we can say that if you take a flatted balloon, so if you use the balloon, so balloon is immersed can say expand form. ठीक है, when you use the balloon and you fill your mouth air in the balloon, then balloon will be expand. Okay, so why it happen? Balloon will be expand by the pressure exerted by the gas. Okay, and this pressure is known as the fluid pressure. Similarly, liquid, if a liquid has, if you anything immersed in the water, okay, so the particle of the water inside of surface is source pressure and push back या push upward of any object when any object is immersed in it. Understand? So when any object is immersed in the water, then what will be happen? The particle of the water will send it upward because of the fluid pressure. Okay, so this is the fluid pressure. Now what is atmospheric pressure? As you know, we are just living in the earth, in the air sea. Okay, our surroundings, in our surroundings the air is a found. So when any object is feel any pressure by the we can say that when any object is feel pressure exerted by the air, then this is known as a atmospheric pressure. If you can define as, what is atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure is defined as the pressure exerted on an object by the weight of the air above it. Okay, so what is the phenomena? The phenomena of atmospheric pressure is firstly discovered and given by the in a 17th century by the scientist. Okay, and then atmospheric pressure is denoted in ATM. Clear? And here one thing you have to know, the atmospheric pressure on earth surface at sea level. If we talk about in a earth surface at a sea level, okay, so what is the atmospheric pressure in a sea level on earth? So it is the 100 kilopascal. We can say that it is a 100,000 pascal. Okay, we can say that 100,000, yeah, kilopascal you can say that, or 1,000 pascal you can say that. Okay, so this is the atmospheric pressure. Now the atmospheric pressure is measured by an instrument, and what is the name of an instrument by which the atmospheric pressure is measured? So the name of instrument is barometer. Here, so this is very important, student. You have to tick out here, because of in your exam it can be asked what is the name of instrument by which the atmospheric pressure is measured. Okay, the fact you have to know here. Firstly, I am telling you the fact file is also given in your book. So here in the book you given the camel, given an example of a camel. So the feet of the camel is a flat, okay, broad feet and flat feet. And what is the use of this broad and flat feet? It is used that it reduce the pressure exerted on the sand. Okay. The camel has a broad feet, and these feet reduce the pressure which is found in the surface of a sand. Okay, and that's why the feet of a camel is not go down in the sand. Okay, so this is also use of the pressure. Okay, and one thing also, you know, the weight of the atmosphere on the top of your head is about a 250 kilogram per weight, which is equivalent to the weight of about 2 baby elephants. Okay, and here one thing also know, students, in the other fluid present in our body balance out the atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is measured during the pressure. Okay, so students, one thing, the atmospheric pressure and our body's pressure both are balanced. Okay, so that's why we can live in the air, full atmosphere, and we cannot see the air. Okay, so now this is all about a variation of a pressure, and this is all about of today's topic. Clear? With it related, you have to sort out the word meanings. Okay, and if you have any query about this topic, so you can ask me in my another class, in my live class. Okay, so this is all about of my today's class, and this is ending time of my today's class. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.